So I finally got early access to Seedance 2.5, and no, this is definitely not a clickbait title. In this video, I'm going to share some live generation tests, show real hands-on examples, and show you the exact platform where you can test it out right now before anyone else. Everyone on social media is just showing the official pre-rendered promotional clips, but nobody is actually telling you where to access the model itself. To test it out yourself, head over to SJinn AI. I've placed the direct link right in the description down below so you can follow along. Once you're inside the SJinn AI dashboard, head into the Video Tools tab and select the Seedance 2.5 preview model. Now, if we look at the specifications for this preview built inside SJinn, it supports continuous video generations up to 30 seconds long in a single pass. It also allows up to 30 reference images, 10 video references, and 10 audio inputs for matching rhythm and sound. Keep in mind, because this is still the preview version on SJinn, render resolution is currently capped at 720p and 480p. But let me drop in some live prompts so we can see how it actually holds up. For the first generation, we're pushing the 30-second capability with a continuous cinematic one-take shot. I'm prompting a seamless tracking shot following a character through a busy city environment. We'll set the duration to 30 seconds, choose 720p output, and hit generate. Take a look at this motion. The camera panning and continuous movement stay surprisingly stable over a full 30 seconds without distorting the character's features or breaking physics. The only limitation here is the 720p resolution cap, but motion consistency is a huge leap over the previous 2.0 version. Next, let me test the image-to-video workflow. I uploaded a reference image of a monster and wrote a multi-step action prompt. A character walking down a street, the creature throwing a bus, a slow motion transformation, and a final attack sequence. Look at how well SJinn and Seedance 2.5 follow every stage of the prompt. The creature keeps the exact visual identity from our uploaded reference image. The object physics drop cleanly into slow motion, and the character action sequence triggers right on cue. Prompt adherence here is remarkably precise. Let's run two more scene styles. First, an action clip using high-speed teleportation effects. Look at the spatial movement here. It gives off that heavy Marvel cinematic style with fast directional turns and zero character warping. Next, we tested epic scale, a warrior riding a massive black dragon through dark clouds. The lighting control, dragon wing motion, and environmental depth feel much more mature than Seedance 2.0. While resolution artifacts are still visible in this preview build, the dynamic motion rendering is noticeably improved. Remember, this is just a first impression look at the Seedance 2.5 preview on SJinn AI, not the full official commercial launch. Once the complete build releases, we should expect full 108p and native 4K output capabilities. Over the next few videos, we're going to test AI influencers, UGC ad scripts, and full campaign workflows right here on SJinn AI. If you want to test the model yourself today, click the link to SJinn AI in the description down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next deep dive, and I'll see you in the next one.